On this episode of the Studebaker Restoration, I get a new tool. And we finished tearing down the cab. Stay tuned. Alright, so for Christmas, my family, my mom, and my wife were so gracious to get me this Harbor Freight blast cabinet. Now, I did make some modifications to it. I've sealed all the edges. I don't know if you could see it. Probably not. Sealed all the seams as much as I can. Still have some issues down here. But I also put a metering valve down there so that it could just bring the media up a little bit better. That worked out pretty good. I have done a couple parts, and it does work out pretty good. Let me see if I could pick one out. This took me about just this side 3 or 4 minutes. I still got this side to do, but this is part of the radiator support. It's not bad. So you'll be seeing a bunch of videos with the blaster in the near future, maybe today. I also built a dust collector. Can't really keep everything set up because it's such a big area. But anyway, well, more to come on that. But let's get with the truck. See what we're going to do today. We're going to go ahead and take off the vent. And I'm going to attempt to take off the doors. And I got the little switches right here, the latches. What else was it? That? A couple other things. Whatever. Oh, yeah, that's right. These visors, try to get those off. So, all right, stay tuned to watch. Alright, so I pretty much stripped everything I can besides the doors off the cab, but going ahead and get started. I'm going to go and do just some small parts, easy stuff to paint and put right back on the shelf ready for install. Starting with, I did do some of the, I'll probably finish those up as well, the radiator support brackets, and then I'll do the horn. I'll probably do the other horn. But we'll see how long it takes me. And that's it. Sit back and watch for the satisfying paint removal and rust removal. here they are. Pretty good shape. I think I still got some sand in them. But it's alright. I tested them, they still work. No problem. They'll just blow out some dust from time to time. But, pretty good shape. I'll go ahead and paint these. I'll just do a video on that when it gets a little bit warmer out. So I'll try to paint these as I go. Look at all that sand coming out of there. Oof. Anyway, I think that's all for today. And hopefully another one coming out soon this week. All right, till next time.